Hi, my name is Kiki, and I am the Community Marketing Liaison at Summa Rehab Hospital. It's my pleasure to talk to you about our orthopedic rehabilitation program. This program is for patients who have had joint replacements and also for patients who have had broken bones due to trauma. You're probably wondering why our patient is playing Wii bowling. Betty Lou fell and broke her tibia, hand, and toe. Since she is unable to put pressure on her right leg due to this, one of the goals of therapy is to increase her standing tolerance. Being engaged in an activity like Wii bowling will help Betty Lou increase her standing tolerance and balance. This, in addition to the rest of her treatment plan, will ensure that Betty Lou is safe when she returns back home.
It's fun.
All right.
It really is.
It's a lot more fun than just with the weights and everything.
Right? It takes your mind off of it.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
little more fun.
So, all right. Well, thank you, Betty, so
You're
much
welcome.
for your time, and good luck with the rest of your rehab.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.